In this video, we're going to show you how to install Claude Code on Linux step by step. Claude Code is an AI-powered development tool that helps you write, debug, and understand code directly from your terminal. On Linux, it integrates especially well with common developer workflows, making it useful for both local projects and server-based environments. Installing Claude Code on Linux is typically done through the terminal using standard package or script-based installation methods. While the process may vary slightly depending on your distribution, the overall workflow remains very similar. The good news is that once installed correctly, Claude Code runs smoothly and becomes a powerful assistant inside your Linux development setup. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to install Claude Code on Linux, verify the installation, and get it ready for use. So, let's get started. The first method is to open your terminal. You can do this using your system's Applications menu or the shortcut specific to your Linux distribution. Before installing, it is important to ensure your system is updated and has the necessary base tools installed, such as curl or wget, and a compatible shell environment. Next, follow the official Claude Code installation instructions for Linux. These instructions usually involve running a command in the terminal that downloads and installs Claude Code automatically. Carefully copy and paste the provided commands into your terminal and execute them one by one. Allow the installation process to complete without interruption. Once installation is finished, verify that Claude Code is installed correctly. Run the recommended command to check the version or confirm the installation status. If everything is set up properly, Claude Code should respond with version details or a confirmation message. Next, complete the authentication process if prompted. Sign in with your Claude account and authorize access so Claude Code can connect to the required services. After successful login, navigate to a project directory and start using Claude Code for your development tasks. In most situations, this is all you need to do. Now let's quickly recap what we covered. First, open the terminal on your Linux system. Second, follow the official installation commands and complete the setup process. And third, verify the installation and authenticate your Claude account. Remember that Linux installation workflows are highly flexible, and different distributions may require small adjustments. Following the official instructions carefully helps avoid dependency issues and ensures a stable installation. It's also a good practice to keep your system packages updated to maintain compatibility with modern development tools. A properly configured Linux environment can be one of the most powerful setups for AI-assisted coding workflows. And that's how to install Claude Code on Linux step by step. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who use Claude and other AI tools. Your support helps us create more tutorials, productivity guides, and practical AI workflows to help you get better results from your projects. If there's another Claude Code feature or workflow you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your suggestions and ideas for future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.